Hello guys, today's vlog is about food. Obviously, naka-apron tayo and today is the 7th day of August 2025 and it's a bit weather is fair, cloudy. And for lunch, we will prepare the salmon. So we bought the following ingredients: salmon head, the sinigang sampalok mix, web miso, the aromatics, chili na haba, luya, the tomato, we have okra, and the labanos. Okay. We will start in a minute. Okay guys, I just add the oil and now we'll place the onion for sauteing, luya, these are the aromatics. Now we'll place the miso. There you go. Shout out to all food trippers out there, my Viber community. Then we'll place kamatis. I just placed the kamatis for additional
Sige po, kasi
sauteing.
tatakan ko din itong powder. Sige po. 1 or 2. Te-text na lang po ako pag andun po ako.
There you go. To the mix. After we place the water, we now put the salmon head. There, the salmon head. For additional flavoring, we'll add the fish sauce. Okay, update. I just placed some seasoning, the sinigang mix, to add the additional kick and flavor. Mamaya, lalagay na natin ng mga veggies to include the mustasa. Okay? Update. I placed the veggies, the labanos, okra, and siling haba. Mamaya ilalagay na natin ang mustasa. Okay? Finally, we place the mustasa as we will have the finishing touches. That's the mustasa. We'll just wait for 10 more minutes to finish it.